Excel Price Feed is an add-in which brings live market data into Excel. Here, I will demonstrate how to add formulas to your spreadsheet which can be refreshed with live market data from Yahoo Finance. Firstly, I will set up my spreadsheet with some column headings for a simple watch list. There are several ways to get live formulas into your spreadsheet. The first way is to use the built-in search function on the configuration pane. Here I am searching for Microsoft stock. Once I've found the stock I'm interested in, I can use the shortcut buttons to quickly enter the formula into the cell. The symbol button will insert the stock symbol into the cell. I can also insert the price, day change, and volume. Alternatively, I can start typing the formula into a cell. All Excel price feed formulas start with EPF, so if I type equals EPF, I can see a list of all available formulas. I can then narrow down my search for only Yahoo Finance formulas. Here I am inserting the live price formula and referencing the stock symbol, which is in the first column. I can then add formulas for other fields and reference the stock symbol cell in the formula. Once I have entered the formulas, the data can be updated very easily by pressing the Refresh Sheet button. This will retrieve the latest live market data from Yahoo Finance for all formulas in my sheet. No more copying and pasting data to update your spreadsheet. Your spreadsheet is always up to date with the latest financial data.